Hello everyone. I received this error when I was activating some plugins, and I'm not be able to find a way to solve this. But finally I came up with one easy method to connect to my cpanel. Actually I'm running on Amazon AWS instant hosting. That's why I'm not be able to connect to my cpanel. But no worries, we can still get details of our site cpanel, and I can get rid of this one simply by entering to my cpanel through Filezilla. So for that, the requirements is that you need to have access to your Amazon instance. Actually, I'm just getting connected to it right now, signing into my instance, and I need my key pairs as well, which you must have been downloaded long time ago. EC2 I'll click on. Okay, I have one key pair and one instance running, and this is my key pair and I have saved it in my desktop. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on my instance and get some of the details I need, like copy the public IPv4 and go to my Filezilla. Actually my desktop is very crowded, so please do not mind that. Here in username we will write bitnami, and the password will be blank, and the port will be 22, and here in edit section we'll go to the settings and SFTP. Here I will locate the key. I already have tried once because it was working, so I have to remove this one more time and add again. I have saved it in my folder, backup, and here. So add it already, click OK and click on connect. Remember password until Filezilla is closed. Okay, it's gonna ask me for the password. I will enter here my admin password. It's actually my hosting, so I will add my admin password. Let me try. Great. Here I have all my files. Once we are connected, you can see once we are connected, we have to click on bitnami WordPress, WP content, plugins. So I will do one thing. I will find the last remembered plugin. I'm sorry, I just muted myself because I was thinking what was the name of the application. My candle, I think it was this one, my candle. Okay, I need to do one thing. I just go to the plugins, WordPress content, and go for plugins, rename it with another S instead of searching, I guess. And now I'll go to my site, I'll go to my WP admin. Wow, and it's done, connected. Let's go to plugins. I just did a refresh. Look, I got these things. It says is not available. But I want to, like, suppose we go and rename it back. Let me see if my WordPress is working. Then I'll refresh it. If I'm getting the same error, then I will deactivate one by one my plugins. But now I can see that I received all my plugins in place, so I'll activate one by one, and I know that's not gonna create a problem for me. I will be very careful this time. This actually put a lot of trouble to me this time. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.